You know what is the biggest problem in interhuman relations? This is the trust issue. But how does it begin? How does it begin? First, you start distrusting yourself. And you can't be blind to the realities that you witness in another person. So what to do? Follow the Bhagavad Gita. You shouldn't be too close to your friends. You should not be too away from your enemies. Keep yourself calm all the time. Be with yourself. Sanshay Atma Vinashyati. When you lose trust, this is the beginning of negative ideas entering your mind. And I'm not saying that whatever you are witnessing is not negative. It is negative, but it should not affect you. So believe in the first place that you won't find a perfect human being anywhere. Because perfection, the definition of perfection is according to you. You have certain standards built in and you want that person to fit in that dimension. The same happens with the other person. So the basic idea is to develop your trust within yourself and know for sure that no person can be according to my standards. Absolutely. When you base your relationship on truth, then you won't have trust issues, because the moment something negative happens or something negative the other person does with you, you will be calm, you know exactly, because nobody can be trusted that way. So the trust cannot be within people. The trust can be with yourself, with God. You cannot trust a person. No one can trust it. That is the entire, the whole tragedy of human existence. That is why the Mahabharata took place. That is why Arjuna was taught by Krishna and told specifically that Drona, Bhishma and all, these are the people you trusted, are now against you. So this trust issue should be given up already. You should know how to deal with people. Instead of trusting a person, try to know how to deal with that person. And don't try to pick faults with others. You should know that you already know that this person has these negative things with him. You should know how to deal with them. You don't require to. The trust is for God, not for a person. Because God is perfect. The idea of God is perfect. That is why I am saying. Whether there is God or not God, I am not talking about it. The idea of God in every form is perfect. So trust should be there. Trust is what? It is a kind of love. So the love can only happen when you have your standards met. The idea of God only meets those things. So let me clarify it further, because you may have certain questions, counter questions. Why can't two people love? You can love. I'm not saying don't love. But don't be hurt when you don't get love in return. So love is not a business. When somebody is hitting you, you should know that this person can hit me. Okay? So try to learn and deal with people instead of trusting them. Yes.